Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a wash and go on a unit and I am loving this very short coily Fro of Glory. Yes, that is the name of the wig, Fro of Glory. I love it. So this unit is by HergivenHair and this is the box that the hair comes in. I love it because I've been rocking with HergivenHair for about 3 years now. And I've seen their boxes evolve and they just get better and better and more practical. So I just took out the hair so I can show you something even better, something new, which is the bag that you can store your hair in, which I'm totally here for because I'm always putting my hair in bags. One day maybe I'll show you how I keep my wigs, but like everything I have is in bags, wigs, curlers, everything. And this is the pamphlet that they send with daily care information and stuff you just have to know. So let's get back to the unit. You have this sheet of paper that tells you everything about your order and the hair, the details. It's 10 inches long and it's the coily texture, which is a 3C4A texture, a natural color. And they also send a Ziploc bag with an elastic band, combs, in case you need them. So let's get back to the unit again. Here is the lace. It's a 4x4 closure, so I'm just gonna cut the lace. I don't need to worry about laying this down because it is coily hair, so you're probably not gonna see much of the lace anyway, the way I'm gonna style the hair. Thank goodness. So it's one less thing I have to worry about, like it looking natural. It's gonna look natural whether or not you can see the lace. The products that I'm using don't really matter, but I'm gonna tell you what they are anyway. I'm starting with this leave-in by Spoolies. I love the leave-in. I use it on my natural hair. I will link a video right up here somewhere so you can see how it works on my natural hair. But I do like also using it on my natural hair extensions. So let's get started with the definition. It's super easy. I've done this before and I will show you again, but I just have a small section of hair and I'm using a cream from Trelux, Discover Trelux, to further help me define my hair. So I used a leave-in conditioner and a cream. You can see the cream in the box over there to the side. That's what I'm using right now. And I'm brushing with my Denman brush. And literally the curls define themselves. So you don't really have to do much work, just use your Denman brush and the hair is gonna fall into place. It's all about applying the appropriate product and the motion of defining your curls. That's all it is. You can use any product you want. So this is all of my hair done and defined. I will dry it with a dryer because nobody's waiting 3 days for these curls to dry. It's just not gonna happen. That's not a realistic expectation for me. So I put them under a dryer by Curl Formers. I've had it for a while and I actually had to sew it because it ripped in one place. So it's still going strong several years later, and this is my hair after a couple of hours. No, it was after an hour. This is what my hair was like, and I just blow dried the roots to get them to be dry as well. By the way, make sure you do this entire process after you wash your hair when it's still damp, otherwise you'll use way too much product. So I'm putting the wig on and I'm going to just style it to fit my face. This is a small Capsize that works well for me. That's my size. I usually just go small or average depending on what the company offers. If it doesn't fit, I fix it to fit my head. That's it. Like, I don't worry too much about Capsize as long as it's not too far off. But again, I'm touching the roots to make sure they're nice and dry, and also to just separate the curls without combing them so that they're not too compressed, if that makes sense. And this is a process because the roots did not want to dry because the roots are covered by kinks and curls. You know how it works with kinky, coily, curly hair. You have to get in those roots to get them to behave. And I'm also using a comb, my favorite rake comb, to comb the roots and add a little bit more volume. It's standard practice with curly hair, honestly, just twirling. Anything that is a little too frizzy, just twirl it, get a little bit of product, twirl it, make it work somehow. And that is all for this wash and go look. I could never do this with my natural hair. That's really sad. But one day maybe I'll be able to figure it out for my hair. But I forgot to show you guys the back, so let's check that out right now. I'm gonna turn around for you. And there's the back looking all nice and juicy with the perfect density. But you guys let me know what you want to see me do next with this hair. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye!